Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a donut in Blender. First, go and enter torus from the mesh. Now, create a minor radius to 0.46. Then shade smooth and go to the sculpt mode. Now sculpt it a bit so it would not look like a mesh and will look like a donut, because donuts are not perfect. It is a mountains like things. Then select the upper part of the donut, then press shift D, then press right click, then press B and select selection. Go to the object mode, select the torus 1 and extrude it. Now extrude it up. Now go and add a solidify modifier. Then adjust it so it will land on the donut. Now go to the edit mode, sculpt mode, and sculpt the dripping. You can go to the edit and undo, so then it will undo it. If something terribly got wrong, you can do that. So it will come to this first position before it was done. A lot of drippings. Now again go to the object mode. Now this time add a particle system. Change it to hair. Select advanced, then select rotation. Under rotation select normal tangent. Change add a cylinder. Change the size so it's look a sprinkle. Now change the randomizing of the particle system. Go to the render and select object. Under instance select the cylinder. Now you can go and change the size of the cylinder. Now go to the shade editors, add a new component. Now go to the add and search color ramp, select it and drag it down, then add an object info. Select the random to the pack and color to base color. You can add more color by pressing plus sign. After that you should change the liner to constant and change the colors to different colors, so it will like a rainbow or another colors you can like, you can add anything. Now go back to the 3D view. Now go to the materials, add colors to the icing and the bright part. Now go to the render view. Now go to the scene and change it from EV to cycles. It's looking good, and that is how we make a donut in Blender. So that is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and thanks for watching.